In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore the missing command bar in AutoCAD 2026. If you found yourself accidentally closing the command line bar in AutoCAD, don't worry, it's a common mistake, and fortunately, it's very easy to fix. Let me take you through a couple of simple options to get your command bar back where it belongs, so you can continue your work seamlessly. One swift and direct way to restore the command line bar is by using a keyboard shortcut. If you press Ctrl+9 on your keyboard, the command bar will instantly reappear. This method is not only fast, but also quite straightforward, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer quick fixes and are comfortable using keyboard shortcuts. However, if for some reason the keyboard shortcut doesn't work for you, there is an alternative method you can follow using the CUI command, which stands for Customize User Interface. While you have your AutoCAD window open, simply type CUI in the command area and press Enter. This will open the Customize User Interface dialog box, where you have more control over your workspace settings. In the Customize User Interface window, you will need to look for the Workspaces section on the left side. Once there, you should see an option labeled Drafting and Annotation Default. Click on this option. Over on the right side of the window, you'll see a button labeled Customize Workspace. Click this, and a new set of options will appear, allowing you to manage different elements of your workspace. Under these options, find the section labeled Palettes. This is where various components of your workspace, including the command line, are managed. Scroll through until you find the command line in the Palettes list. When you click on it, properties for the command line will appear below. One of these properties is labeled Show. Make sure this is set to Yes, and then apply your changes. Though this second method is slightly more involved, it's a great way to understand and familiarize yourself with AutoCAD's interface customization tools. However, for the fastest and most efficient route, I highly recommend using the Ctrl+9 shortcut. It's direct and easier for day-to-day use, helping you maintain productivity without delving into the workspace settings each time. With either of these methods, you should be able to restore your command line bar without any trouble. Now, you can get back to your design projects with all your essential tools at hand. Thanks for joining today, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks for using AutoCAD efficiently. Happy designing!